Here we are, now arrived in Chiang Mai, where, look, this is the real durian. Now, just smelling it, doesn't smell that bad. The way it was sent to us, we'll see. We're gonna start with the pomelo. Very common. It's you can get this in the States from Asian markets. It's very similar. It's a citrus type fruit, very similar to grapefruit. Kind of cross between a grapefruit and an orange. Really sweet, really tasty. It's a very good flavor, very good flavor. Now you notice they gave us these gloves to eat with. Don't get our hands dirty. Mangosteen in English. Mangosteen. So you can see it looks on the inside when you've opened it. Kind of a soft shell. It's got little little seeds. You eat the white parts. Little seeds inside. Kind of like these seeds from the inside. It's kind of like a persimmon. Kind of like a persimmon. It's good. A little sweet. It gets that sugary sweetness from the fruit. Very soft. Very tasty. That one's a really nice one. Now these are the baby pineapples. Special to Thailand. So we'll just try, we'll save the baby one for the doctor because she likes the baby. So we're going to take one that's not quite that small. There we go, medium-sized one. And let's see what these baby pineapple taste like. It's nice and sweet. I like how they cut out all the tough parts. Not as sweet as you might get from Hawaii. Or Daddy, you really push that down. Not as sweet as you might get from Hawaii. A little acidic, as you might expect from pineapple, but very good. If you like pineapple, it's really small, sweet, and good little pineapple. Just like all pineapple, it does have a core. And of course, let's try the durian. Alright, so let's see, I'm peeling it open. Trying not to use only one hand with the glove hand. You can see there's a seed right there. We're not going to eat the seed. It doesn't have the terrible smell that you might have heard of, like this. But let's see how it tastes. A little poignant. A little maybe as if you're eating alcohol. But you know it's not alcoholish. There's no alcohol in here. Try it and see. Very soft. Almost a very sweet pumpkin. That's how I might describe it. So yeah, kind of like a squashy type fruit, but very squashy type vegetable or fruit. Very soft, mushy. So when it goes in your mouth, it's very mushy. Not something you have in very many fruit that you know of. And kind of a very sweet pumpkin is what I would call it, but not the same spicy pumpkin flavor. I probably the cross between a persimmon, where you have the fuyu persimmons and a pumpkin. That's probably how I describe this. Really sweet. And you don't have that awful smell that people are talking about. At least these ones don't. Anyway, so these are the fruit market in Chiang Mai. Very famous. A lot of people come here. So now we actually tried the real durian, straight up durian, not the one that's hiding inside of bread. So we're gonna have some other dishes in Chiang Mai as well. So look out for that next.